Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome to my channel again. In today's video, we will take a look into Yamaha PSR-670 because one of you have asked how to delete registration memory. So this video is continuation about the registration memory management. So if you are interested in, just stay tuned and we will start very soon. Alright, so as I have mentioned, this video is about PSR-670, but don't worry if you have any other PSR-SX or PSR-S model, because basically those knowledge could be applied to any of this. So I hope you have seen my video when I'm showing how to create registration memory, how to save and organize them into banks. And as you can see now, my current bank is called Please Subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe. And all my registration memory slots, memory files are occupied, are saved. So if I press, something is loaded. And as you can see, something is changing here. But I am, giving you this URL in the video description. So check the video how to create this. Okay, and topic for today is how to delete. So if you have a registration bank, it could be default bank or saved by you in here, and you want to delete some of those because you won't have still again empty slot in here, you are pressing registration bank plus and minus at the same time, and you are here in the registration bank management. And as you can see now, our bank is called Please Subscribe. So we select edits in here, and this is the bottom line. So edit, and as you can see, those 8 slots in here are created, and there are the same like in here. So our current selected is 7, and if you want to delete any of this, so you are highlighting them, pressing enter, and then you have the button delete. It's under 5, so we are clicking delete. Of course, we need to confirm that if we want to delete it, okay. Yes. Are you sure you want to delete the registration? Yes, I want to delete. And it's deleted. We go exit, and let's take a look in here. Number 3 is deleted. So again, let's go here, let's go into edit, and let's delete first one, for example. So I highlight, I press delete, confirm, okay, yes. Go exit, and as you can see, another is deleted. Of course, if you are on a bank, registration bank, you need to save changes of the whole bank. So if you want to change your bank for something else after making a delete process, he will ask you, would you like to save the changes of the whole bank? Yes, I would like to save the changes. So I confirm saving by pressing save here, and OK to confirm, yes, replace it. And as you can see now, my bank called Please Subscribe. This is sinful because I have changed. I can go back to Please Subscribe. And as you can see, Please Subscribe has 1/3 deleted. So it is all for now. This is the last video in this year. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like this channel. And if you have any questions about stuff like I have here in my garage studio, don't forget to ask me. In upcoming year, we will create a lot of new videos. So stay tuned. It was BB Walker, and Happy New Year!